In this exercise, we have to find the equation of the normal line to the graph of this function at the point minus 1, 2. You know what, let me make it a bit harder. Let's say I don't give you this other point where x equals minus 1. Note that f is defined everywhere because x squared plus 3 is always positive, so no problem with the square root. And when x is minus 1 squared is 1, plus 3 is 4, square root of 4 is 2. So, yeah. Okay, now let's find the derivative because we want to find the slope of the tangent, and from that we can get the slope of the normal. So f prime of x is equal to, now the derivative of square root is 1 over twice the square root for starters, x squared plus 3. And then here we have to put the inner derivative as in the chain rule, so that would be 2x, and the 2 cancels. And we want f prime at this point, we just need the x, at minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over, and we've already computed this, when you plug in minus 1 we get 2, so it's minus a half.